Imagine the internet as a giant library, but instead of books being stored in one central building, they are spread across countless homes and offices. That's the idea behind IPFS, or the Interplanetary File System. It's a decentralized way to store and share files, making the internet more resilient and less susceptible to censorship. When you want to access a website on the traditional internet, you are essentially asking a central server to give you the files that make up that website. But with IPFS, files are broken down into smaller pieces and spread across a network of computers called nodes. Instead of relying on a single location, you are accessing these pieces from multiple sources, making the files more robust and less vulnerable to outages or censorship. IPFS uses a unique identifier for each file based on its content. This means that even if a file is moved or copied, its identifier remains the same, ensuring that it can always be found. And because it is decentralized, no single entity controls the network, making it more resistant to censorship and manipulation. This decentralized approach is a key component for Web3, the next generation of the internet. By using IPFS, Web3 applications can store and access data in a more secure, efficient, and censorship resistant way. It is a powerful tool for building a more open and democratic internet.